Welcome back, guys. So I finally decided to switch from my good old Moto G5 Plus to the new Moto G5G. I still have my Moto G5 Plus, so custom ROM videos will be coming soon. So I bought this device for 21,000 rupees. It is available for much cheaper price during the various sales. The main reason I got this device was the Motorola's software experience, pure stock, and also it was the cheapest 5G available. And we are expecting 5G to be rolling out soon. And the processor is powerful enough; it's close to 765. So it was a good investment for the future, as I will be using this device for I'm hoping for 2+ years. In the G5 Plus, the processor was good enough for the social media apps and YouTube, but when it comes to gaming or graphic intensive, it just wasn't good enough. Snapdragon 750G is a powerful processor, and in some areas it is even better than the Snapdragon 765. And recently even the Quad Mobile now supports 60 fps with this processor, and the performance is also really great. No frame drops or lags. Even I did not even face any heating issues. So more videos on it will come soon, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.